Exfoliation is not only important to address textural irregularities, it is also vital in addressing a decrease in the rate of cell turnover. Optimal cell turnover is 30 days in healthy skin. This slows down with age and presents as dull, uneven skin tone with enhanced fine lines and wrinkles. Regular exfoliation increases essential hyaluronic acid and new cell production. Skin Functional has a range of exfoliators to cater for beginners all the way through to advanced exfoliators. If you are looking for daily treatments, we have 4 in our collection. Powder Blend, a soft chemical powder that provides a flash of exfoliation which can be added to any cleanser for even application of the exfoliant. 2% BHA Tonic. This is suitable for combination and oily skin. This is our go-to acne exfoliator. The much-loved salicylic acid treats acne by reducing swelling and redness while unclogging pores and reducing the size of acne lesions. Mulberry Root Extract reduces uneven skin tone, helping to brighten the skin. 6% Mandelic Tonic. This is suitable for all skin types. It works well for pigmentation and acne. The largest exfoliating molecule to ensure slow and controlled penetration into the skin. 12 weeks of consistent use shows a reduction of acne lesions by 28%. 7% Glycolic Tonic. This is suitable for combination as well as oily skin. It works well for pigmentation. This has been expertly formulated with resveratrol to neutralize free radicals and effective brightening ingredients such as glycolic acid and licorice extract. This is a pigmentation powerhouse. If you are looking for overnight treatments, we have 4 in our collection. Retexturizing Honey. This is suitable for all skin types. It is an incredibly gentle exfoliator which can be used on young skin, skin new to exfoliating, or very dry and sensitive skin. 10% Mandelic Acid, a very gentle, effective, and deeply hydrating at-home facial treatment. This treatment not only exfoliates, but also boosts collagen production. 10% lactic acid plus 3% polyhydroxy acid as a complementary blend of alpha hydroxy acids and polyhydroxy acids for a tolerable exfoliation. My personal favorite if you ask me. Formulated with aloe vera to soothe the skin while chemically exfoliating the top dead layer, the stratum corneum. This has been expertly formulated with collagen boosting L-arginine. Last but not least, our very own 30% amino hydroxy complex, also indicated as exfoliating facial 2. This has been formulated with 17 amino acids which promote wound healing and repair damaged skin. This high-strength exfoliator is our go-to for a potent, effective exfoliator. This has a combination of 20% glycolic acid and 10% lactic acid. This exfoliator can be used across all skin concerns for oily and combination skin types. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this content, please subscribe to our channel and you will be notified every time we release new content. Bye for now.